I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds.
If I have learned anything in life, it is that you cannot control the weather. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's windy, and sometimes it's rainy. You walk outside unexpectedly and you smell it. Moisture in the air. The looming warning of water falling from the sky. Sometimes it's sudden. Sometimes it could just be cloudy with no rain until you feel the first droplet. Sometimes you're ready for it. Maybe with an umbrella. But sometimes you just get caught in it.
When you open it
defenseless.
to speak, are you smart?
Drenched in the rain.
But don't change your hair for me.
Sometimes, after this happens, you're left empty. What do you do?
Stay,
if you're not ready? Sometimes it's good to remember that no matter how much rain there is, or how dark the clouds get, the sun is always just behind them, waiting for its chance.